This week I'm testing the Peugeot 2008. It's a small 5-seater SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the way this car drives. I absolutely love this steering wheel. It feels so nice in your hands, and you've got voice control on the steering wheel too. You press the button
to begin. Say a command after the tone.
The car asks you what you want, and then you can do things like turn up air conditioning.
Temperature changed.
Number 2 is these gorgeous little lights flash at the front of the car when it automatically unlocks when you walk up to it. You can also make them stay on with the button on the key. And the car automatically locks with you having the key on your person as you walk away. Number 3 are the Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are the most beautiful and delicately designed Isofix I have ever seen, behind a lovely little concealed zip. And they go really well with the whole interior of the car that's been really thoughtfully designed. I have loved driving the 2008 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au. And don't forget to like and follow us on our socials.